Now children, let's discuss the word problem based on addition of exercise 2.4. Now children, to do the word problems, we have to learn one rule to solving the word problems, right? So here you can see the letters RFDSC. Here the R stand for reading, right? It means we have to read the statement first while doing word problems. Okay. Now the next letter is saying that you have to find. It means you have to find the solution. What you have to do in the question. Now here the letter D stands for decide. It means that you have to decide which operator you are going to use in the question, right? The S stand for solve, right? You have to solve the given problem. After it, C stand for checking. It means you have to, after reading, finding, deciding, solving, you have to check your answer, right? Now children, let's start the word problems of exercise 2.4 question 1. So first we will follow the rule, that is RFDSC. So R stand for reading. Let's read the question first. So now in a godown, what is godown? Godown means a large building where the things are to be stored, right, before they are sold. So in a godown, there are 23,578 bags of rice and 45,326 bags of wheat and 2,569 bags of sugar. And we have to find the total number of bags in that go down, right? So it means that we have to find the solution. What do you have to do? And after it, you have to decide. So it means that we have to find the total number of bags, and total here means, it means we have to find the, to do the addition. It is a addition word problem. So we will add these three number of bags. Now children, our main concept is that you have to frame the statements. How you will frame it? You have to read the last line of the given problem. Okay, what is saying that total number of bags? It means you have to find the number of bags, right? So we will pick that words, number of bags. So we will write the statement like this: number of bags of rice, number of bags of wheat, number of bags of sugar. Like in this way, we will write these three statements: number of bags of rice, number of bags of wheat, number of bags of sugar, right? So here the number of bags of rice is 23,578. We have written in front of the number of bags of rice. So the number of bags of wheat are 45,326. So we have written the same number. And 2,569 bags of sugar. So here we have written the number of bags of sugar. Right now we have to add these three numbers, number of bags. So let's arrange these three numbers in a vertical column in this way, right? So that every digit will come below each other, right? And always start from placing the numbers from right to left. Okay, let's add these numbers. So we will add from right to left. So 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 plus 9 is 23, and 2 will be carried forward to the next column. Now let's add the next column digits. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So 7 will write down and 1 will be carried forward to the next column. Now after it, we have to add the next column like we have done the addition in the previous class. So here we will add 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 4. So 4 we will write down and will be carry forward to the next column. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 we will write down and 1 will move to the next column. Then we will add the last column digits. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Here we have got the total number of bags, and it is 71,473. Right, so you can write the answer on the right sides along with its units. Right, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's move to the next question. Children, next question is exactly same as the question one, only you have to just you should know that how to write the statement. I told you have to read the last line first. How many toys did it produce in the 3 months? It means you have to find the number of toys in the month of January, in the month of February, in the month of March. Then you have to add it, right? Do it yourself. Now the next question is, a company made 1,42,921 trucks and scooters in a 1 year. How many number of vehicles were made altogether? Here altogether means you have to add in that year, right? So we will add these two numbers. Now how you will write the statements? Now how many number of vehicles? It means the vehicle name is given to you. It is trucks and scooters. Only you have to write the name of the number of trucks, number of scooter in this way. Then you have to altogether means here is a plus. So we will add it together, right? Along with it, we'll write the answer along with its units. Do it yourself, this third question. Okay, now let's discuss the fourth question. So a man purchased a house for 6,24,598 rupees. He sold it for rupees 1 lakh more than what he had paid. At what price he sold the house? So it means that now let's read the question again. A man purchased a house for 6,24,598. It means he has bought a house. Of it means it is a cost price of a house. Cost of a house. Then he has sold that house which he has purchased. It is of 6,24,598. Now he has added 1 lakh to this amount. It means, right, then you have to find the total price of the house, total selling price of the house. At what price actually he has sold after adding 1 lakh rupees to the cost price, right? So here we have to find the total price, so it means we have to plus. Now the cost of a house is, it is this, and he has given 1 lakh, he has paid 1 lakh more, right, in this amount. So we will write house sold more than he paid. So it is 1 lakh rupees. And the selling price of the house, we have to find the selling price of the house. And now we will add the cost price plus the additional amount he has paid. So we will add these two prices together with the final price, that is 7,24,598. So we will write the answer along with its units, that is rupees. Fine. I hope it is clear to you.